I'm going to share my favorite ways to use grapeseed oil for glowing skin, and trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. Grapeseed oil is one of the most underrated skincare ingredients out there. Not only is it packed with nutrients, but it's also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways to achieve healthy, glowing skin. In this video, we're going to dive into the top benefits of grapeseed oil and how you can incorporate it into your daily skincare routine. From moisturizing and hydrating the skin to fighting off free radicals and reducing inflammation, grapeseed oil is the ultimate skincare superhero. Whether you're struggling with acne, fine lines, or dryness, grapeseed oil has got you covered. So, let's get started and explore the amazing benefits of this miracle oil. Grapeseed oil has already gained a cult following among skincare enthusiasts, and for good reason. With its lightweight, non-greasy texture and its ability to penetrate deep into the skin, grapeseed oil is the perfect moisturizer for all skin types. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or something in between, grapeseed oil will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. When it comes to skincare, hydration is key. And grapeseed oil is one of the best hydrators out there. It's able to lock in moisture without clogging pores, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from environmental stressors and keep it looking youthful and radiant. Grapeseed oil is an incredibly powerful moisturizer that helps to keep the skin hydrated without clogging pores. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no residue behind. This makes it perfect for acne-prone skin, as it won't exacerbate existing breakouts or cause new ones to form. One of the biggest benefits of grapeseed oil is its ability to regulate the skin's natural oil production. This means that it can help to balance out oily skin, reducing the appearance of pores and leaving the skin looking smooth and even. At the same time, it's able to lock in moisture, making it perfect for dry or combination skin. Grapeseed oil is also rich in antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off free radicals and protecting the skin from environmental stressors. Free radicals can cause all sorts of damage to the skin, from fine lines and wrinkles to discoloration and dullness. By using grapeseed oil, you can help to neutralize these free radicals and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Antioxidants are some of the most powerful skincare ingredients out there, and grapeseed oil is packed with them. From vitamin E to polyphenols, grapeseed oil contains a range of antioxidants that work together to protect the skin from damage. This means that it's able to reduce inflammation, fight off free radicals, and leave the skin looking smooth, calm, and radiant. One of the biggest benefits of grapeseed oil's antioxidant properties is its ability to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to skin issues like acne, rosacea, and premature aging. By using grapeseed oil, you can help to reduce inflammation and keep your skin looking calm, smooth, and healthy. Grapeseed oil is also an amazing anti-inflammatory agent that can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, itching, or sensitivity, grapeseed oil can help to reduce inflammation and leave your skin feeling smooth and comfortable. Acne-prone skin can be a real challenge to deal with, but grapeseed oil is here to help. By regulating oil production and minimizing breakouts, grapeseed oil can help to clear up acne and leave your skin looking smooth, clear, and radiant. One of the biggest benefits of grapeseed oil is its ability to regulate oil production. This means that it can help to balance out the skin's natural oil levels, reducing the appearance of pores and leaving the skin looking smooth and even. At the same time, it's able to lock in moisture, making it perfect for dry or combination skin. Grapeseed oil is also able to minimize breakouts by reducing inflammation and killing off bacteria that can cause acne. This makes it an amazing spot treatment for existing breakouts, as well as a preventative measure to keep your skin clear and healthy. Grapeseed oil is also able to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By hydrating the skin and increasing collagen production, grapeseed oil can help to plump up the skin, leaving it looking smooth, firm, and youthful. One of the biggest benefits of grapeseed oil is its ability to increase collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin, and grape seed oil is able to stimulate its production, leaving your skin looking smooth, firm, and radiant. Grape seed oil is also able to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by hydrating the skin and plumping up the skin's natural contours. This makes it an amazing anti-aging ingredient that can help to turn back the clock and leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. Grape seed oil can also be used as a natural remedy for dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. By reducing inflammation and hydrating the skin, grape seed oil can help to brighten up the under eye area and leave your eyes looking bright, clear, and radiant. One of the biggest benefits of grape seed oil is its ability to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. By hydrating the skin and reducing inflammation, grape seed oil can help to leave your eyes looking bright, clear, and radiant. Grape seed oil is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways to achieve healthy, glowing skin. From using it as a moisturizer to incorporating it into DIY skincare recipes, grape seed oil is the ultimate skincare superstar. One of the biggest benefits of grape seed oil is its ability to be used as a carrier oil for essential oils. This makes it an amazing ingredient for aromatherapy and can help to enhance the benefits of your favorite essential oils. Grape seed oil can also be used in DIY skincare recipes, from face masks to scrubs. By combining it with other natural ingredients, you can create customized skincare products that target your specific skin concerns and leave your skin looking healthy, glowing, and radiant. Incorporating grape seed oil into your skincare routine can have a major impact on the health and appearance of your skin. From moisturizing and hydrating to fighting off free radicals and reducing inflammation, grape seed oil is the ultimate skincare ingredient. By using grape seed oil, you can say goodbye to dry, dull skin and hello to a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. Whether you're dealing with acne, fine lines, or uneven skin tone, grape seed oil can help to address your specific skin concerns and leave your skin looking smooth, clear, and radiant. So, have you tried grape seed oil in your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more skincare tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.